In the peaceful valleys of ancient Tibet, settled among the high peaks of the Himalayas, there lived a wise monk named Tenzin. Tenzin was known far and wide for his profound understanding of the universe and his serene, unshakable peace. He spent his days in quiet contemplation and his nights under the stars, seeking the wisdom of the cosmos. One day, a wealthy merchant named Raj arrived in the valley. Raj was known for his incredible wealth and his insatiable desire for more. He had traveled far and wide, gathering treasures from every corner of the world. Yet, despite his riches, Raj was deeply unhappy. His heart was heavy with longing and dissatisfaction, a void that no amount of gold could fill. Hearing of Tenzin's wisdom, Raj decided to seek the monk's counsel. He hoped that Tenzin could provide the secret to true happiness and contentment. One crisp morning, Raj climbed the steep path to Tenzin's humble monastery. As he reached the top, he found Tenzin meditating under a giant Bodhi tree, its leaves whispering in the gentle breeze. "Master Tenzin," Raj called out, "I have come seeking your wisdom. Despite all my wealth, I find no joy. I am constantly yearning for more. How can I achieve true happiness?" Tenzin opened his eyes slowly, a peaceful smile on his lips. "Welcome, Raj. You seek the wisdom of the ages, and I will share it with you. But first, you must understand the nature of desire and the law that governs it." Tenzin invited Raj to sit beside him and began to share a story, one that had been passed down through generations of monks. In a small village, far from the busy cities, there lived a humble weaver named Ashok and his beautiful daughter, Arya. Arya was known for her radiant beauty and kind heart, and she often helped her father weave intricate tapestries that were renowned throughout the land. Despite their modest means, Arya was happy. She found joy in the simple pleasures of life, the warmth of the sun, the melody of birdsong, and the vibrant colors of the fabrics she wove. But Ashok, her father, was constantly overwhelmed by worry. He wanted a better life for Arya, a life free from hardship and labor. One day, a wealthy nobleman visited their village. He was captivated by Arya's beauty and offered Ashok a fortune in exchange for her hand in marriage. Overwhelmed by the prospect of wealth and a secure future for his daughter, Ashok accepted the offer. Arya, however, was heartbroken. She did not love the nobleman, and she cherished her simple life in the village. Yet, she respected her father's wishes and prepared to leave with the nobleman. As the day of her departure approached, Arya sought comfort by the river, where she often went to clear her mind. There, she met an old woman who showed a mysterious aura of wisdom and tranquility. Sensing Arya's distress, the old woman asked, "Why do you weep, child?" Arya poured out her heart, sharing her fears and sorrows. The old woman listened intently, her eyes filled with understanding. When Arya finished, the old woman spoke softly. "The universe is a mirror, reflecting back what we project. If you wish for true happiness, you must align your thoughts and desires with your heart's true calling." Intrigued, Arya asked, "But how do I do that?" The old woman smiled gently. "Close your eyes, child, and imagine the life you desire. See it in vivid detail. Feel the joy, the peace, and the love as if it is already yours. Hold on to that vision with unwavering faith and gratitude. This is the essence of the law of attraction." Arya followed the old woman's advice. Each day, she dedicated time to visualizing her ideal life. She imagined herself weaving beautiful tapestries, surrounded by love and happiness, living in harmony with nature. She felt the warmth of the sun, the softness of the fabrics, and the joy of each moment, as if it were real. As weeks passed, Arya noticed subtle changes. Her heart grew lighter and her mind clearer. She found joy in her daily activities, and her spirit radiated a newfound serenity. People in the village noticed the change in her appearance. Her positivity was transferable, and soon, Others began to seek her company, drawn by her vibrant energy. One day, the nobleman returned, ready to take Arya away. But as he looked into her eyes, he saw a strength and peace that had not been there before. Sensing her true desires, he realized that forcing her into a life she did not want would bring neither of them happiness. With a heavy heart, he released Arya from their engagement. "You are free to follow your true path," he said. "May you find the happiness you seek." Arya's heart soared with relief and gratitude. She returned to her father's home, where she continued to weave, her spirit now fully aligned with her heart's desires. Her tapestries became more beautiful than ever, infused with the joy and peace she felt. Tenzin concluded the story, his eyes reflecting the depth of his wisdom. "You see, Raj, the universe responds to the energy we emit." Arya's transformation was not just a change in circumstance, but a shift in her inner world. By aligning her thoughts and feelings with her true desires, she harnessed the law of attraction, a principle deeply rooted in Buddhist teachings. Raj was deeply moved by the story. "But how can I apply this in my life, Master Tenzin? My heart is burdened by greed and discontent." Tenzin jiggled, understanding Raj's difficulty. "The first step is to cultivate mindfulness. Buddhism teaches us that our thoughts shape our reality. By becoming aware of your thoughts and emotions, you can begin to transform them. Let go of attachment to material wealth and focus on what truly brings you joy and fulfillment." Seeing that Raj was eager to learn more, Tenzin began another story. "Let me tell you about a simple villager named Dawa who lived many years ago in a village not far from here. In this village, Dawa was known for his kind heart and his solid optimism, despite his humble circumstances. He worked as a water bearer, carrying 2 large pots on a yoke across his shoulders. Each day, he would walk to the river, fill the pots with water, and return to his master's house. One of the pots, however, had a crack in it, causing water to leak out along the path back to the house. By the time Dawa reached his master's home, the cracked pot would be only half full. The perfect pot was proud of its accomplishments, but the cracked pot felt ashamed of its imperfections. One day, as Dawa filled the pots at the river, the cracked pot spoke up. "I am so ashamed of myself and I want to apologize to you." Dawa was surprised. "Why are you ashamed?" "For years I have delivered only half my load because of this crack," the pot confessed. "Because of my flaws, you do not get the full value from your efforts." Dawa smiled and said, "As we return to the master's house, I want you to notice the beautiful flowers along the path." As they walked back, the cracked pot observed the flowers on its side of the path. Once back at the house, Dawa said, "Did you notice that the flowers were only on your side of the path? That is because I have always known about your flaw, and I took advantage of it. I planted flower seeds on your side of the path, and every day while we walked back from the river, you watered them. For years, I have been able to pick these beautiful flowers to decorate my master's table. Without you being just the way you are, he would not have this beauty to grace his house." Raj listened intently, his heart opening to the deeper meaning behind Dawa's story. "I see now, Master Tenzin," he said. "My wealth has blinded me to the simple beauty and value of life's imperfections and the natural flow of the universe. I have been like the perfect pot, proud but unfulfilled, not seeing the true value around me." Tenzin nodded approvingly. "Yes, Raj, it is through our perceived flaws and imperfections that we can discover our true purpose and contribute to the greater good. The law of attraction teaches us to embrace our uniqueness and to align our desires with our true nature." Raj's face lit up with understanding. "Master Tenzin, what must I do to change my life and align myself with these universal truths?" Tenzin replied, "You must practice gratitude, mindfulness, and positive visualization. Embrace your journey and trust in the process. Now, let us delve deeper into the techniques that Tenzin shared with Raj, techniques that you too can apply in your own life to harness the power of the law of attraction. 1. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool. Just as Arya imagined her ideal life, you can create a mental picture of your desires. Close your eyes and see your goals as if they are already achieved. Engage all your senses and feel the emotions associated with your success. This practice helps to rewire your brain and align your energy with your desires. 2. Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your goals and desires. They help to shift your mindset from doubt to belief. Write down your affirmations and repeat them daily. For example, I am worthy of love and abundance, or I attract positive opportunities into my life. Consistent repetition will embed these beliefs into your subconscious mind. 3. Gratitude. Gratitude is a fundamental aspect of the law of attraction. By expressing gratitude for what you already have, you create a positive energy that attracts more of what you desire. Keep a gratitude journal and write down at least 3 things you are grateful for each day. This practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance. 4. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation helps you become aware of your thoughts and emotions. It allows you to observe them without judgment and gently guide them towards positivity. Set aside time each day for meditation. Focus on your breath and let go of any negative thoughts. This practice will enhance your overall sense of peace and clarity. 5. Letting go. Buddhism teaches the importance of letting go of attachment. Clinging to desires creates resistance and blocks the flow of positive energy. Trust that the universe will provide what you need at the right time. Let go of the need to control every outcome and allow things to unfold naturally. Now, to integrate these techniques into your daily life, here are some practical exercises. 1. Vision board creation. Create a vision board by collecting images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals and dreams. Arrange them on a board or a digital platform and place it somewhere you can see it daily. This visual reminder will keep you focused on your desires and motivate you to take action. 2. Daily affirmation practice. Set aside a specific time each day for affirmations. Stand in front of a mirror, look into your eyes, and repeat your affirmations with conviction. Feel the truth of your words and believe in their power. This practice will boost your self-confidence and reinforce positive beliefs. 3. Gratitude journal. Keep a journal by your bedside and write down 3 things you are grateful for each night before sleep. Reflect on the positive aspects of your day and express genuine gratitude. Over time, this practice will rewire your brain to focus on the good in your life. 4. Mindfulness meditation routine. Dedicate at least 10-15 minutes each day to mindfulness meditation. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. If your mind rambles, gently bring it back to your breath. This practice will enhance your awareness and help you stay present in each moment. 5. Letting go ritual. Create a ritual to release attachment and surrender to the universe. Write down any worries, fears, or desires that you feel attached to on a piece of paper. Take a deep breath, acknowledge them, and then burn or tear the paper as a symbolic act of letting go. Trust that the universe will guide you towards what is best for you. As we conclude this journey through the law of attraction and its deep connection to Buddhist teachings, remember that true happiness and fulfillment come from within. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your heart's true desires, you can create a life of abundance and joy. Take the time to practice these techniques and integrate them into your daily routine. Share your experiences and insights with others, and encourage them to embark on their own journey of self-discovery and transformation. If you found this story and its teachings inspiring, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Together, we can create a community of like-minded individuals striving for a life of positivity and fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May you find peace, happiness, and abundance in every moment of your life. Namo Buddhaya.